Catalyst review. Hey my friends, welcome back. This is Kieran Hogg, KieranGHogg.com, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing Catalyst. It is being launched June 30th at 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time by Dan Pellegrino and Robert Palmer. So with that being said, you guys, we've got lots of bonuses, we've got members access and all kinds of things to look at. I'll see you on the other side. Welcome back, my friends. First of all, thank you for being here. I really appreciate you. If you're not already a member, hit that bell button, subscribe, all that good stuff, leave a comment. Guys, we're going to talk about Catalyst. Catalyst is a system that Dan and Robin use to make $184 a day by piggybacking one of the world's biggest traffic sources by just simply copying and pasting. We're going to check out the members area and the dashboard here, guys. And the cool thing is, this is kind of a two-in-one. And I was lucky enough to play around with this before it went live. You'll see in the sales page that I wrote a testimonial about it. And it is basically, it's an amazing system that takes the Creative Commons from any YouTube video, finds it for you, and then you can edit it, you can add effects, you can add animations, and you can shorten it so you can put it on YouTube Shorts. But the real 1-2 punch of it is what Robin shows you in how you can get this amazing traffic that is just unparalleled, in my opinion. You're really going to get some value from this if you guys pick up Catalyst. So that's kind of what it is in a nutshell. Guys, before we get into all the good stuff here, I want to show you all a little bit more about Catalyst in written form. All right, so this is my bonus page. It's going to stay up until Monday, July 4th. So you got plenty of time. You got over 4 days as I'm doing this right now. So as I mentioned, it is a case study of $104 a day, piggybacking the world's biggest traffic source, one of the world's, the world's biggest traffic source by copying and pasting a line of text. Okay, so it took them a long time to develop. And let's just get into it, you guys. So we're going to get into the price and the upsells and all that. Let me take you now over to what you're going to do. So there is a demo video that I'm going to put down in the description below that you can check out. But basically, you're just going to go here. You're going to check out your download videos here, and you can type in anything you want, like any niche that you would want. And it's going to find the Creative Commons for that, and then you can start to tweak it. Okay, so you'll find the video here, you can edit the video here. Okay, so you're going to drop the file here or click to upload, and then your video list is here. Okay, so what you would do is you just put in your keyword, any niche that you would like, and it's going to find that video for you. And then with the training, you'll see in the demo video how easy it is, but of course with the training that Dan and Robin offer, you're going to see that it just takes like a minute or so to create something that you can just rinse and repeat, copy and paste. And honestly, the more you do, the more you're going to help the YouTube algorithm launch you higher and higher. And with Robin's, this area here, with Robin's amazing sophisticated system to get traffic here, is truly, it blew my mind actually, to be completely honest. So you're going to get the welcome video from Robin. Robin is a top tier marketer, 6 if not 7-figure marketer, and he goes into tremendous detail. He has a method 1 and a method 2, and this is the second part of method 2 on how to get just incredible traffic, stuff that was really much more sophisticated than anything that I'd ever seen, to be absolutely honest with you. Okay, so he also does it in a very easy to follow way, you guys. So trust me on that. I've watched these, I've played around with it. It all works, okay? So you're gonna get a lot of detail, a lot of information there. Download your bonuses here. You're gonna get social needs marketing mastery, keyword magician, instant content creator, and viralicity. I guess that's how you would say it, viralicity. All right, and also this is where you would click to join Frankie's and Robin's YouTube channel. Also Dan Aschendorf, excuse me, I did not mention him earlier. He is the one that is doing the demo video that I'm going to put down in the link below. And guys, stick around to the end. I have some treats for you as well. Some extra little bonuses that I'm throwing in later on down the road at the end of this video, you guys. So speaking of that, let me just show you some of the stuff here, guys. It's absolutely incredible.
There's another thing.
So he is able to rank on the top page of Google with these methods, guys. It is just absolutely
hey, what up? This is Ron Palmer. Now, as you can see here, this is an example. You can submit use because I feel.
All right, guys. So tremendous stuff here.
Here is
all
that.
Right, you're gonna get
actually
all that stuff, and if you do have any questions, they're going to walk you through it, so don't worry about things maybe being over your head. I'm going to take you now to my bonus page where I'm going to show you some of my bonuses that are also going to be really helpful for you to make money, whether it be a side business or your main focus. My first one, guys, is Byte. This is related to the crypto situation, how you can make money, $300 to $500 a day with Bitcoin, regardless of what the price is. That is the key point. You don't even have to invest any money to be making money with Byte. So you're gonna like that one, guys. Another one I want to give you is my own product. You're not gonna get this anywhere else. Profit Launcher. This breaks down from A to Z how you can make money with affiliate marketing, reviewing digital products. Shows you everything you need to know. And the cool thing about why I created Profit Launcher with my partner, we wanted to provide free sources, okay? Because people who are new or struggling, they don't want to be paying extra things while they're not bringing income in. This is going to help you bring income in, and then as you grow, maybe you want to start doing paid ads and things like that. But we really tried to find a free solution for everything in here for you to be making money, okay? And guys, in OTO number 1 on Profit Launcher is Profit Ranker. This shows you how you can really kick the algorithm's ass and be ranking very high on YouTube. Even if you don't have a lot of experience, you haven't been doing it for very long, if you follow the rules in here, you will see just how much traffic you're going to get very, very soon. Again, that is free. This is another one, guys. Phoenix. These guys are just crushing it. James and Mark, I believe. I'm trying to blank on the second name. Matt. Step-by-step video showing how to make 30,000 plus a month, guys, with affiliate marketing. These guys are just crushing it. And also, one of the OTOs that Rob and Dan and Frank are offering is related to Amazon. So I threw this in here just so you can also get some more training and tips about FBA and Amazon. All right. And guys, this brings me to my final bonus is my mega bonus bundle of 225 bonuses for free. Yes. Okay. And also all the vendor bonuses are being offered by Robin, Dan, and Frankie. Now, to get these bonuses, my friends, all you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on the sales page, which we're going to check out in just a moment. Here it is. Go down, and there's also going to be a $3 discount. So regularly $17, you're going to get it for $14. Click on this button to go to Warrior Plus, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click on this blue button. That's going to kick you over to this page here. This is where you're going to get all of my bonuses. So for example, my mega bonus bundle, 225 bonuses. You're going to get everything under the sun. You're going to get organic traffic. You're going to get paid traffic tips. So you're going to get Facebook. You're going to get Instagram, TikTok, Reddit, other ones that are lesser known. You're going to get paid ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, Bing. You're also going to get video tutorials, PDFs. You're going to get email marketing. You're going to get how to increase your SEO. You're going to get WordPress plugins and other things like Teespring, real estate. Everything under the sun is all yours. Blogging, you name it, you got it. It is all under here. as a way of me saying thank you for using my link if you decide to get Catalyst. All right, my friends, now let me take you to, so this is me, guys, Kieran Hogg. Kieran G Hogg is my website. You can learn more about me there. But guys, let me take you now to Catalyst, the sales page. Now here is a VSL. You can watch that on your own time. But guys, here's some of the perks. So it's a little known loophole, pure profit, piggy banking on the world's biggest website. All you got to do is just copy and paste leading edge software, no more than 30 minutes a day, my friends. That is very cool. This could start out as a side business, and as the money starts to accrue, you can start to focus more and more time on it, okay? How it made them $5,570 in 30 days. Okay, it pulls clicks from a practically unknown loophole for passive commissions. Simple setup, no tech skills required. Like I said, the training is very thorough, and those guys are there to support you as well. And my friends, look here. So like I said, I was able to play around with it before, and this is why I'm really kind of pumped up about this particular product. I think it is really, really different, and it is actually very powerful and useful, all right? Hence my glowing testimonial, okay? All right, you guys, there's more testimonials in here as well. Here is more about Robin Palmer. So here are some financial screenshots. So yesterday, 688, today 335, very, very nice. So guys, let's look at what you're getting with Catalyst. Catalyst system valued at $4,000, the automation software valued at $2,000, 4 figures a day case study valued at $1,000, the VIP support valued at $1,000, and passive traffic starting today valued at $5,000. Grand total of almost $13,000, not even including all of what I'm offering with my bonuses, my exclusive bonuses, my mega bonus bundle, etc. So lots of value today, my friends. And the bonuses that they're offering, the social niche mastery, marketing mastery valued at $97. Catalyst is all about connecting you with your audience, and if you want to take this further, you need to turn your company and brand into a marketing powerhouse. It'll show you how you're going to do that. Number 2, Keyword Magician. This software pulls the hottest terms from Google, Bing, YouTube, Amazon, eBay, Yahoo, so you're going to know exactly what people are searching for and how you can capitalize on that. Instant Content Creator at $147. This is going to boost your SEO optimization. Viralicity, there we go, Viralicity, value at $97. Use the power of viral marketing to generate leads and succeed online. All right, my friends. And some frequently asked questions. We're going to get to the price and the upsells now. Okay, so here's the funnel. So the front end is 17, but in fact it is going to be 14 with the $3 discount. And we have a lot of upgrades. We have 4 upgrades, each with downsells. So that is what we're going to be paying more attention to, okay? Because we can get it for cheaper. So guys, the front end of Catalyst, like I said, downsell 14, step-by-step training showing you how to implement the Catalyst method from A to Z, a software that makes it dead simple, eliminating almost all of the hard work. OTO number 1 is the unlimited downsell of 27. Now guys, this is just going to make everything go faster and easier. You're going to unlock all the governors and just let it be running at full tilt. So this is going to help you unlock more traffic and get you to sell on Amazon and make $100,000 a year. That's why I also sent you that other bonus that's going to help you with FBA tips and tricks. Number 2, Catalyst done DWY 97, downsell 47. Join our weekly mastermind calls and skyrocket your results. So guys, this is great because you'll be with like-minded people and you can ask questions to get you through those sticky points. Catalyst unlimited traffic, 197 downsell of 98.50. Siphon our highly targeted traffic for more profits. Users get direct access to our audience by placing your pixels on their sales pages for the next year. And the resell rights, downsell at 98.50. You can make 100% on the whole funnel every time somebody buys with your link. All right, you guys. So The unlimited at 27 to me sounds very reasonable when you look at all the value that you're getting as well. It'll show you how you can do it faster and make more money in a shorter amount of time. That's the one I like personally. And guys, just to go over the summaries of what you're going to be getting with Catalyst one more time, not including all my bonuses, of course. Little known loophole, pure profit. It's copy and paste, so the more that you do, the more that you will make. Leading edge software to automate the process, no more than 30 minutes a day, which is very, very nice. It's made them a bunch of money in 30 days. Practically unknown loophole for passive commissions. Takes 60 seconds to start doing it, guys, and doesn't matter what your background is, all right? And just to walk through one more time, you're going to be getting Byte, all about crypto, my profit launcher, the front end, the OTO1, Phoenix, front end, Amazon FBA tips and tricks, my mega bonus bundle, and all of the vendor bonuses as well. Okay, my friends, this is going to wrap up. Now, like I said, there is one more treat that I want to give you. If you decide to buy Catalyst through my link, you will be given an email by me saying thank you and giving you instructions on how to whitelist my email. If you do that, it only takes a few seconds. I have a video showing you how to do it. If you don't know, take a picture of that, send it to me, and I've got another bonus that I want to give to you that you're going to love as well. All right, guys, this is Catalyst. Like I said, it's gone live, or it's going live June 30th. Don't miss out. This one is pretty special in my opinion. I think you're going to get benefit from it. That's why I gave this really glowing testimonial about it. So guys, any questions, do leave them down in the comment. Hit that bell, subscribe, like, and all that good stuff. I really appreciate you being here. Take care and best of luck on your journey. Bye-bye.